أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the merciful. Wal asr, by the declining day. Innal insana lafi khusr, no man is in the state of loss. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Save those who believe in God and do good works, and exhort one another to truth, and exhort one another to endurance. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Believe God Most High is a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Alicia. 10th will be reciting a shlok from Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
यद् यद् आश्रुति श्रेष्ठा तद् देवे तरोजना सा यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोका तत् अनुवर्तते. For whatever a great man does, other men also do. Whatever standard he sets up, the generality of men follow the same. Thank you.
Now,
I'll be reciting a verse from the Holy Bible. According to St. Matthew, you are the light of the world. A city built on a hill cannot be hidden. No one lights a lamp and covers it. Instead, he puts it on a lampstand where it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, your light must shine before others, so that they will see the good things you do and praise your Father in the heaven. Thank you.
आदि सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. True in the beginning, true throughout the ages, true even now. Nanak, truth shall ever be.
Ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, invited guests and parents, it is a day full of joy and exhilaration as we celebrate our annual sports day today. To add to our happiness, we are extremely honored to have the privilege of having Major General Surendra Singh Mahmud with us. Sir, your presence amidst us today add more joy and color to this morning full of festivity. Major General Surendra Singh Mahmud was commissioned in the Corps of Artillery in 1981. He graduated from Defence Services Staff College. Apart from having held several important appointments, including those in Infantry Brigade at the Army Training Command, he has commanded a Mountain Artillery Brigade as well as a Corps Artillery Brigade. He has taken over as Additional Director General NCC Uttar Pradesh on 8 September 2014. Major General Singh has to his credit numerous professional achievements which brought Army Commander's Unit Citation to 1891 Field Regiment, and the college has become a name to reckon with by carving a niche for itself amongst the premier educational institutions of Lucknow. Academically, every year our students are reaching greater heights. Our students have stepped into the hallowed portals of some of the most prestigious technical institutions of India. Likewise, one of our girls rewrote history by securing the first position among girls in the CPMT examination. Not only in academics, our students are making their presence felt in the sporting arena too by lifting countless trophies, winning innumerable awards and honors. The latest in the long list of achievements being the NIE Premiata Cricket Tournament and Franciscan Liga Inter-School Football Tournament. Our students have been creating ripples in all spheres of academic life, equipped with the latest trends in teaching technology like Tata, Edge Teaching System and AI. We hope to soar to greater heights of success. I take this wonderful opportunity to express my gratitude towards those who have contributed greatly towards the meteoric success of this wonderful institution. The Chairman, Dr. Talib Sadiq, Secretary Mr. Natwan Asam Rizvi, Joint Secretary Dr. Muhammad Farah, members of the Managing Committee, and of course the teaching and non-teaching faculty whose dedication and zealous support has made unity what it is today. A beacon of light guiding thousands of youngsters on to their destined path in life. I wish you all a very happy day.
Now after the drill we have the first track. This young lady has secured the first position. Audience, you are requested to clap more enthusiastically for the winners. The prize distribution for the 100 meter and 200 meter junior boys. That first prize was bagged by San. Audience, you are requested to give a huge round of applause. You can see how well they are dancing.
Atmosphere which has been created here, the kind of events which has taken place, I really went back around about 37 years back to my school, and for a moment I felt that I was amongst my own school times and own schoolmates. I really thank you all for making me remember my old days. I think the kind of events which has taken place today speak volumes about the hard work which has been put in by all the children and especially by the teachers. It's not easy to conduct such an event without a single flag. The coordination between each and every event, coming of children, going out of children, selection of music. I think each and everything people have gone into details, worked very hard, and I think the show which was put up today was excellent, far excellent. And I compliment each one of you for this. Whatever I came to know from your old journal and whatever I've seen today, I think the future of the country is in safe hands. If this is what the children can do, I think we don't have to worry about anybody. I shall fail in my duty if I don't talk about the last event, that is gymnast of the school. They were wonderful. I will call them, somebody called the children as scholars, but I'll call them as scholar warriors. They really produce